Understanding oppressive regime, a deep dive into political vocabulary. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, oppressive regime. This term is often heard in news reports and political discussions, but what does it really mean? We'll break it down for you in simple terms, so you can confidently understand and use this phrase in your conversations. An oppressive regime refers to a government or ruling system that exercises power in a harsh, cruel, and unfair manner. This type of regime often limits the freedoms and rights of its people, using tactics like censorship, surveillance, and violence to maintain control. The term oppressive highlights the heavy burden these actions place on the citizens. 1. Limited freedom of expression. Oppressive regimes often control the media and restrict free speech. People living under such rule may face punishment for expressing their opinions or criticizing the government. 2. Abuse of power. Leaders of oppressive regimes may use their authority to benefit themselves, often at the expense of the general public. This can include corruption, unfair legal practices, and silencing opposition. 3. Human rights violations. Such regimes often disregard basic human rights, engaging in acts like unjust imprisonment, torture, and other forms of abuse. While discussing oppressive regimes, it's beneficial to reference historical examples, such as Stalin's Soviet Union or Pol Pot's Cambodia, and contemporary ones, possibly highlighting current global concerns without delving into overly sensitive specifics. Understanding the term, oppressive regime, is crucial, as it helps us recognize and empathize with those who live under such conditions. It also enlightens us about the importance of democratic values, human rights, and the need for global awareness and action. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to live under an oppressive regime, and why it's a critical subject in our global discourse. Thank you for joining us in this learning journey. Stay curious, and keep learning. Until next time, goodbye and take care.